people, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Cheraye. Welcome. If you happen to be returning, you are truly appreciated. Thank you so much, and welcome back. Today, darlings, we are going to be unboxing something that I picked up from Chanel. I'm so excited to share it with you guys here on this channel. I do cover fashion, beauty, luxury, lifestyle, all things fancy and fabulous, darlings. So if that sounds like something that you'd be into, I'd love for you to consider hitting the subscribe button, smash the notification bell. It will alert you every single time there is a video placed on this channel. Okay, now before we unbox this, you guys, I just have to be honest and tell you something, okay? I'm looking at myself and I'm like, girl, this is like the fourth video, this same look. So I put this dress on because we're going out, right? And so I put this dress on. So if you see this dress like in multiple videos, just keep clicking on it. It's not the same video. But what had happened was I put this dress on, and you see it has like a little mock neck, kind of a higher neck, because I'm going to be out later into the evening. I don't know why I'm telling you guys all this, but anyways, I'm going to be out later into the evening. So I wanted something to be a little bit warmer so that I didn't have to put a coat on or what have you. And the thing is, if I take this dress off, okay, with the makeup on, I know something is going to happen. So I'm like, that's it. You have to film all the videos in the same dress because of the simple fact that if you take the dress off, okay, and the hair, you guys, do you get what I'm saying? Okay, I just had to share that with you because I pride myself on being honest, letting you guys know what I'm feeling. I've been laughing all day because I'm like, I can't take this dress off. Okay, anyways, girl, I received this from MJ. He always does the best packaging. MJ does the best packaging. If you guys are in need of a client advisor, I'm going to leave all of his information down in the description box below. He is amazing. So if you like customer service, superb customer service, and if you are in need of a client advisor, I definitely am going to leave his contact information down in the description box, so make sure you check that out. I know a lot of you, we've already spoken. You guys have already reached out to MJ, so shout out to you. He is fabulous, darlings. Okay, so here it is. You guys, I waited for you, okay? I waited for you. I took a peek inside, but I did wait for you. I know some people, you know, really love I love unboxings. So the paper and all that doesn't, you know, disturb me because I live for a good unboxing. So this is how it came. Looks like this here is my receipt, and it looks like I came with a nice cute card. You guys, look at this. Do you see this? This is what I'm talking about. The attention to detail. Somebody who is going to give you amazing service. And then on the back, just look. Thank you. How cute is that? She lives for it, okay? She lives for it. And then there are some cute little things in here. Coco Rouge Bloom. This looks like a cute little makeup case or something. Oh yes, it is. Yep, look at that. How cute is this? This is so cute to take like on a little vacation or just put in your bag, hold your lipstick as like a little makeup bag, a little makeup case or what have you. That is super cute. And then it looks like we have here a way that you're able to swatch and see the lipsticks that they're offering. They're offering tons of different colors. Oh, a nice red. Now see, I'm not really big into color, but I do think a great way to put color, if you're not into color, like I do nudes, whites, beiges, stuff like that, but I do think a good lippy every now and then is a great way to add color to your outfit, especially if you like the whole color blocking, but you're not really into color like that. If you just put a bold red lip on, that's a great way to color block. And it looks like there are tons of different shades here for me to go and play with and see what shade is best going to suit me. I love the Coco Rouge collection when it comes to the lipsticks. They're very creamy, they're very rich, so that's in there. And then I did pick up, oh, this came with it. Oh, this is cute. This is something else that came with it, just like a cute little keepsake. It also looks like a keychain or some sort. I don't know, you guys, I'm just opening this up and looking at it with you. So that came with it as well. And then I did pick up the new, this is a limited edition. This is from the Coco Mademoiselle line. This is a light fragrance mist. Sometimes, you know how we're always saying we want our fragrances to last a little bit longer. Things like this that you can do to ensure that your fragrance lasts is like when you get out of the shower or something like that, and you go ahead and you just spray this on. I have a ton of these, but I don't have it in this particular one. Like I said, this is a limited edition. I absolutely love this. This is my favorite color. It is gold and it is white. I love this. This is my favorite color combo, you guys. I'm actually wearing this color today. I love gold and white, and this is just like, oh, the cap is gold too. Love it. So let's see. It's Coco Mademoiselle. Yep, it smells like Coco Mademoiselle, but a lot lighter. not as heavy, not as in your face. So this is good. You come out of the shower. A lot of you are asking, how do I get my fragrances to last longer? How do I get them to project? Start with the whole layering combo. It starts in the shower. You get out of the shower, you put on the body cream, the body crops, the lotion, what have you. You put on the fragrance mist like this, douse your body in it, do the sprinkler system. I love this because it's finely mist and it can go through your hair. It just falls down on you. I love that. I heard somebody say one day, oh my God, when you do that, you're wasting your fragrance. I bought it. I can do what I want. I move on. Just kidding. No, I'm dead serious. Seriously though. Okay, and this next one here that I picked up is this one here, another limited edition, you guys. So if you want to get your hands on it, I'm gonna have everything linked down in the description box for you below. This is for those Coco Chanel lovers that you just want to add something. Did I really need this? Absolutely not. Did I want it? Absolutely. I mean, it's Chanel, darling. Come on, how would I not? How could I not? And it just looks like this. So this one here is a body gel. No, this is, oh, okay. So this here is a hair and body shower gel. So that's again starting the fragrance from layering it all the way in the shower, all the way when you get out of the shower, and then taking it there. So you would, you know, exfoliate, definitely put this on, shower with it. Oh, it smells good. Let's just take a little bit. Oh my God, did you see those bubbles? Oh my God, you guys, seriously, that was so cute. Oh, so see, there it is. Oh my God, I couldn't have not planned that better myself. Will you do it again? Oh, you see that? Bubbles, okay? Oh my God, she's so it's a clear, it's clear. That's what it looks like. It's just, I'm not gonna put too much on because of course I'm not getting ready to take a shower, but that's what it looks like. Looks like it has a pretty good consistency. Like I said, it's just a shower gel, so it's not a, I don't know how it foams or lathers or anything like that. I'll have to shower with it and I'll come back and let you guys know. I haven't showered with it or used it or anything, so I'll definitely have to, you know, use it, and then I'll come back and let you guys know my thoughts and what I think about that and everything like that. But I absolutely wanted to add these to my collection, of course, because I am a huge Coco Chanel lover, and then I'm also like a Coco Mademoiselle lover. Like, I just love Coco Mademoiselle. It's a classic, it's iconic, it's timeless. I always tell you guys that if there was just one fragrance that you needed in your collection that can take you from day to night, from work to church to home to office to date night to anywhere, it would be Coco Mademoiselle. I find it to be a very versatile fragrance, and it's Chanel. Like, even when I get up in the morning, sometimes I'll have my L'Eau Privée on my nightstand because I would have slept in it, and it just makes me happy. Waking up and seeing Chanel and just seeing how beautiful the bottles are and the array that I have, it just makes me happy. So thank you so much, MJ, for sending these over. I truly appreciate you. So you guys, that is it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them down in the comment section below. If you've picked these up, if you're gonna pick these up, let me know. Go ahead and start some dialogue in the comment section below. I would love to know your thoughts on what you think about Coco Mademoiselle. Do you love it? Do you not? Have you never even heard of it? Like, excuse me. And that is it. And I will see you beautiful souls in the next video. You guys, if we are not connected on Instagram, make sure we are connected. Come over, say hi. I'm starting to do a lot more on my Instagram. I'm obsessed with TikToks. I'm obsessed with Reels, and I'm having so much fun just creating fragrance content over there, doing that as well. And if there's any videos that you would like to see, make sure you leave them down in the comment section below. I always screenshot the videos you guys recommend, and as soon as I have the time to do them, I definitely get them out for you. So if there's anything that you would like to see on the channel more, or if there's something new or different that you want to see, go ahead and leave it in the comment section below, and I will see you beautiful souls in the next one. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous, darlings. Bye.